Hello everyone, welcome back to Gruhinis world. We always have a craving to eat something spicy and flavorful like biryani, but we always worry about long process of cooking and also feeling heavy on our tummies. Today I'm coming up with best alternative that can provide the same flavor as our biryanis without being heavy on our tummies and super easy to cook. So let's get started. Friends, we can make this flavored stock in larger quantities and we can store it in refrigerator and use it for 2 weeks whenever we crave for masala flavored rice. Also there is an advantage if we have flavored stock handy which can be used for our busy morning lunch box. Always add spices after water comes to boil to retain best flavor. Friends, try to make this flavored stock and then cook some rice out of it. I'm sure you'll love it. Although this flavored rice can be prepared by adding the spices directly without making any stock, it would be preferable and tastier if we prepare like this, as most of our kids and some adults don't prefer to bite on the spices. Friends, try to close any air gaps if needed to avoid evaporation of water. Try to simmer stock for at least an hour to get the best flavor out of it, or 30 minutes if you don't have time. Although we prefer basmati rice, we can use any kind of rice as per our choice and convenience. Soaking rice for 1 hour not only helps rice cooking very quickly and it gives nice long texture. Friends, I'm using clay pot here to cook rice as it provides more traditional taste, but alternatively we can cook in our regular vessels. Adding ghee to pulao or biryanis would always enhance the flavor of rice. I am adding 6 green chilies as we prefer medium spice. If you like to eat more or less spicy, you can adjust the chilies accordingly. We can add some veggies to the stock and make it as vegetable stock, or any bone meat to make it as chicken or mutton stock. Salt is most crucial part of biryanis or flavored rice. Actually 1 teaspoon of salt is enough for 1 cup of rice, but adding an extra bit of salt would provide perfect saltiness when rice gets cooked. Mint and coriander leaves are must for any kind of flavored rice, so please try not to skip them. Friends, in our channel you can find different types of biryanis that can be tried out for any special occasions or get-togethers. You can find recipe link in the description box below or in the suggestion card above. Do not close the lid completely when stove is on high flame to avoid spilling and get the stove messy. Adding ghee to pulao or biryanis would always enhance the flavor of rice. If we add some vegetables to it, we can enjoy it as a vegetable pulao. This flavored rice can be enjoyed with any curries, or you can just eat it with side of raita. This makes a best lazy day recipe and also something we can make quickly for surprise guests. Friends, we can find many veg and non-veg curries that can go pretty well with this flavored rice. Please do check our playlist for the delicious curries. I hope you'll try this recipe and post your comments. If you like our videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe Gruhinis World. Thank you.